Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix touch screen is not working in Samsung Galaxy A06. If you're using Galaxy A06 and you're facing the issue that your touch screen isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So if your touch screen isn't working, so there are two possible reasons. The very first reason is that your phone might have a software glitch, which can be easily fixed by making a forced restart. Or if your phone have any physical damage, so you have to repair your phone. So let's try the first one. You just have to make a force restart. Now for that you have to press and hold the volume down and the power button at the same time for almost 10 to 15 seconds. So let's try this. You have to press and hold the volume down and power button at the same time for almost 10 to 15 seconds. The very first your screen goes completely black, and once it goes screen goes completely black, you have to wait for the Samsung logo here. Once you got the Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it's restart. So basically sometimes it happens that when you update your phone or with any software glitch, your phone screen might have been stuck, which can be easily fixed by making a forced restart. So a forced restart might take more time than usual. You have to wait for a few seconds there. After a forced restart, you also have to give a few seconds, almost 5 to 10 seconds for your phones to refresh. And after that, you have to try to use your phone to check if its issue has been fixed or not. So you can see that the phone has been restarted. Just wait for a few seconds. Your screen might be unresponsive for a few seconds here. So once you see this interface that your screen got completely refreshed, just try to unlock your phone. Your issue might have been fixed in this step if you have any software glitch. But if your issue is still not fixed, so you can try the same thing one more time. Or after that, if you're still facing the same issues, that might be a physical damage to your phone screen, I recommend you how to repair your phone screen, or you can also try to change it with a new original Samsung phone screen. So in this way, you can easily fix if your touch screen isn't working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.